We land in Saudi Arabia, ready to amaze you with a unique creation. Let yourself be guided by Izam, our expert, who brings this exceptional model to life with passion and precision. For ARAC Consultancy Co., we envisioned far more than a simple architectural representation. It's a true immersive experience coming to life before your eyes. Every detail has been carefully crafted to transport you into this fascinating universe. Experience a bold scenography where lights, textures, and projections blend seamlessly to create a captivating spectacle. This interactive model is redefining the standards of architectural presentation, offering visitors a fresh and enriching perspective. And this is just the beginning of an exciting journey in the Middle East. Stay tuned to discover our next achievements, pushing the boundaries of innovation even further. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming creations.